If you would like to see how I made this cup using December's premiere pack, keep watching and make sure you stay until the very end for a little bonus. This month's premiere pack included the brand new Rhinestone Mix Pearls Poodle Skirt along with glitter, a poodle keychain, and coordinating colors Mocha Black Diamond and Neon White. I'm starting with a 16-ounce Plump from Tipsy Magnolia. I taped off the bottom with painter's tape, then prepped the cup using Dixie Belle bonding box. Next, I created my design in Cricut Design Space. I have it linked down below to help everything make sense in my head when transferring the design to the cup. I separated by color and cut each color individually. Yes, it uses more vinyl and there are other ways to do it, but this has helped me make sure everything lined up properly, especially with some overlapping areas. I drew a guideline on the cup to keep things straight and started applying the lighter colors first, saving the darker colors for last. Quick side note, I know this video is a little late. I had this one and another ready to go, but I got sick one week and then had a scheduled minor laparoscopic surgery the next. Between recovering, working, making cups, and finishing school, things slowed down a bit. But honestly, that downtime gave me space to dream up new ideas for 2026, and I cannot wait to share what's coming. When it was time to rhinestone, I worked in reverse, starting with the darker colors and moving back to the lighter ones. For the circles, I found it easier to outline them first, let them dry, and then fill them in. In addition to the colors from the premiere pack, I also used Mocha Baby Pink, Mirage Champagne, and Neon Black. Once all the circles were finished, I filled in the rest of the cup with Neon White. And here's the finished cup. I absolutely love how it turned out. although I do wish I had used more of the Pearls Poodle Skirt mix, so I decided to make another one. For the second cup, I used the same colors but left out the neon black and Mirage champagne. Instead, I added golden shadow and alternated the outlines using black and crystal luster. Now, I wanted to know which one is your favorite. Let me know in the comments. If you recreate this design or something similar, be sure to tag me. And don't forget to use my discount code Tiana10 to save at Diamond Fire Rhinestones. Thanks so much for watching.